Today, I'm at Thruxton Motor Circuit and I'm going to be taught how to drift by a 14-year-old racing driver. Whoa. You think I can hold on to anything here? Oh, man.
Again?
Go for it.
I shouldn't have said that.
I'm Ethan from Nextbase Dashcams, and today I'm joined by Alfie Garford, a 14-year-old British racing champion. 14-year-old Alfie has been racing in karts since the age of 8 and was the British champion in Junior TKM in 2021 and more recently in 2023. Today he's going to teach me how to skid a car safely, and we'll be joined by a trusted road companion, Nextbase IQ, to capture the footage. Do you ever drift in a race when you're racing? Like, do you do that often, or?
We do, but we try not to. Well, drifting looks fast and fun, but really it slows you down. You can't get the exit out of the corner.
Yeah.
So yeah, we generally try not to.
So why would someone want to come to Thruxton skid pan?
Well, it's a perfect place to try out drifting, where you can learn how the fundamentals of controlling your car are.
Any tips before I go and do this?
Well, I'll be by your side, I'll be holding your hand. Just don't crash whilst I'm saying it. Yeah, you got it. Yep, you got it.
Oh, nearly there. I just stalled in an automatic car. I don't know if that's physically possible.
Yeah, you got it. We're getting there,
Man, this is not as easy as it looks. Like, you made it look too easy.